Alright, what's inside a small engine? Not much left here. You can see this is obviously the piston. These would be the valves. They're removed already. There'll be another plate here to hold this in place. But I'm just going to spin this, let you see. See, as they're spinning, the piston's going up and down. Now the piston's recessed. That's the lowest point. You can see this right here. That's to kick oil up as it's running. It's going to splash it around, help lubricate the engine. So hopefully you can see that. Pretty simple.